afternoon, evening, everyone, whenever you're watching these videos. I will be presenting my posters. The title Listening Skills Development and Comprehension Strategies in Educational Context Systematic Review. This study explores the importance of listening skills in education and how we can support students, especially second language learners, in improving their listening comprehension. Listening skills are essential for academic success and effective communication. However, many students, particularly those in multilingual or second language settings, struggle with listening comprehension. This review addresses the lack of effective listening pedagogy. Second, limitation in current assessment practices, and third, the cognitive complexity of listening, influenced by factors like language proficiency and age of acquisition. The research objective. The main research question of the systematic review is what pedagogical approaches, assessment methods, and cognitive factors most effectively support listening skills development in educational context. So for the methodology, this study is based on a systematic review of 10 peer-reviewed articles published between 2020 and 2024. Sources include database like ERIC, language teaching research, Kongen education. Inclusion criteria focus on listening development, pedagogical strategies, and assessment methods in educational settings. The first key finding, pedagogical approaches. Pedagogical listening is a critical teaching competency. Responsive listening strategies foster productive struggle and equity in classroom discussions. Teachers who apply strategic listening create more inclusive classrooms and promote meaningful students' participation. The second key findings, cognitive factors. Language proficiency is a stronger predictor of listening comprehension than general cognitive ability in AFL context. Bilingual listeners show varying levels of effort based on age of language acquisition, language use patterns, and proficiency levels. Early bilinguals require less cognitive efforts, highlighting the value of early exposure and regular practice. And the last, third key finding, assessment and repetition. Authentic listening tasks are more effective than traditional multiple choice tests, and 7 repetition are optimal for vocabulary acquisition through listening. And multimedia advanced organizers support better pre-listener preparations. So the conclusion, effective listening skill development requires multi-dimensional approaches, strategic pedagogical listening, promote equity and deep learning. Cognitive and language proficiency factors significantly impact listening comprehension. Authentic assessments and thoughtful repetition strategies improve learning outcomes. Notable studies cited in the review include English et al. On pedagogical listening in mathematical discussion, Nadri et al. On cognitive contributions to EFL listening, Basharat Malouf et al. On listening effort in bilinguals, and Zhang and O'Grady on repetition and assessment strategies. So, To conclude, this review shows that listening is not just about hearing, it is about intentional pedagogy, responsive assessment, and understanding the learner's cognitive and linguistic profile. So thank you very much for your attention. I would be happy to take any comment, like maybe you can give me advice or something. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I think that's enough. We can to one another. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.